has been very consistent. He attends most of the meetings, and he's a silent type up until now. But whenever he comes onto the stage to give, to talk on the topics in table topic session, he has been pulling it off decently well, sprinkling humor here and there. He is giving his first speech from the CC manual today. I'm sure all of us want to know more about him as much as I do. So please put your hands together in welcoming Roshan giving his icebreaker. And his speech will be evaluated by BDM Ramlal sir.
Objectives of the icebreaker are: number 1, to begin speaking before an audience; number 2, to discover speaking skills you already have and skills that need some attention. The time allotted is 4 to 6 minutes.
I am not bald, so I am not Rakesh Roshan. I am not big, so I am not Hrithik Roshan. I am simple, plain, normal Roshan. Fellow Toastmaster and guest. Strength and growth comes through continuous efforts, and struggle is what life taught me. Yedu Suttina Kote or Kallina Kote. Can you guess? Chitradurga, that is my native place, which is famous for its philosophy and mythology. I was very naughty as a kid. Everyone in my family remember these incidents. Once I was playing with my cousin on the first floor of the building that was under construction. I lost balance and slipped and fell to the ground. I was in pool of blood. My cousins rushed me to give first aid by applying coffee powder on the wounds. My mother saw it and she was shocked. She suddenly took me to the hospital. Doctor asked me, "From where did you fall?" I was afraid to say first floor and said nothing, just compound wall. Doctor smiled and asked, "Okay, compound wall of which floor? First floor or second floor?" I was very crazy about sports, especially about cricket. My average score was always high and my average marks was always low. 3 incidents had a significant influence on my life. The first incident, I failed in 10th standard in science subject. Failing in a first board exam was huge disappointment. My family was upset and my relatives put salt on the wounds by saying, "After all, you can't pass 10th class. What a shame. If you can't pass 10th class, how will you pass higher studies?" I decided I will never ever neglect my subject. There was no look back after that. I cleared my subject in the next supplementary exam and went on to clear my graduation with distinction. With a good CET score, I managed to get MBA seat in the most popular college, MBIT of Bangalore. Imagination creates the dreams, but determination builds them, was the lesson I learned. The second incident, when I was in MBA, I was very insecure because of my lean personality. Nobody treated me like a grown-up. Even my juniors treated me like a kid. Then one of my best friend, Mr. Santosh, he has advised me to drink beer every time given opportunity to gain my muscle. The next 1 year, I had beer every time there was an opportunity. I did not change even an inch. That is when I decided I am best the way I am. Life is built with concepts, not biceps or triceps. The third instance, I met Kavita, sister of my sister-in-law. They were Divana style. Love at first sight. Kavita was a brilliant girl. She has finished her MFA and she got a job. On the other hand, I had finished my MBA but did not have a job. We spoke for some time and we exchanged our contact numbers. Soon we were messaging each other. Finally, I collected all my guts and proposed her over an SMS. I love you and I want to marry you. After 3 days of silence, Kavita called me and asked, "Are you serious?" I said yes. 1 week of silence, she called me and she said, "Yes." It was like a movie, raining flowers, dancing fountains, playing violins. Kavita is the most valuable person in my life as she believed me and she liked me when I did not have a job. Love is not about two people looking at each other, but two people looking ahead in the same direction was a lesson I learned. I got a job as an accounts officer in HDFC Life, and the next 3 years was a great learning experience. Then I joined manufacturing firm Titan as a senior accounts officer. Now I want to grow and evolve as a leader and team player. Now with Toastmaster, I can achieve my goals of communication and leadership. Now I am confident that I can achieve my dreams by the able guidance of all the experienced Toastmasters.